Stop watching videos titled Top AI Tools for Marketing, Top AI Tools for Copywriting, or etc. I know as a content manager, you have seen many of those videos titled Top AI Tools, but you're not a tool chaser, you're a system builder. Today, I'm going to talk about why these videos aren't going to help you and what you should look for if you are going to use AI in your content production system.
Yes, I know my channel doesn't have that many subscribers, or the videos you see don't have that many views, because I just started this channel after more than 10 years of working in different teams, in different marketing roles, working for a startup with more than 40 million users, growing content teams from 2 to 12, and having lots of experience in content writing, content team management, and etc. I just decided to have my new YouTube channel in English. English is not my first language. I'm trying my best to deliver what I learned through all of these years to you.
So, the first thing we are going to talk about is that chasing shiny objects is not your task. Your task as a content manager is to create a system and help your content creators use AI more effectively and more efficiently. And what are the risks of chasing those tools, looking for videos that are talking about top 10 tools, top 11 tools about how to use AI for marketing? What is the risk? What is the problem of watching those videos or following those threads The first thing is that following the tools, following shiny objects, new tools, wastes your budget. Any of those AI tools require subscriptions at least $20 a month, but for a business and for an enterprise level, you have to pay more and more. And chasing them will waste most of your budget. And the other problem is the risks those AI tools create for you. You don't know all of the AI tools that are presented in the videos or in a blog post, anything you read from gurus online. Many of them may have risks for your data, for credential data that might affect your business and create risks for your business or your whole content creation agency. And the other problem is that it builds chaos. Just think that you're a content writer, your manager comes to you and introduces a new AI tool. You just work with that for 1 week or 2 weeks, and just after that, the manager comes again and says, hey guys, I watched a new video and I think this tool is better for writing blog posts, or this one is better for writing captions for Instagram or etc. It creates a chaos in your team. They don't know which trend to follow. They don't know what to buy and what to listen to, and they get somehow confused about the tools they are going to use. So today we are going to create a system about how to choose the best AI tool for your team. This is something that you as a manager should do once and just leave it there. You can study more for AI tools, but it's not something that you have to follow the trends. You just choose the best one for your team, create a system and a framework, and they will use it in their content creation. First, we'll compare two types of AI tools. One of them is best of breed. For example, tools that are focused on doing only one thing. For example, only writing blog posts, only writing captions for your Instagram or other social media. And the other one we are going to focus is the all-in-one, something that I myself like, and I will tell you why it's better for content creation things. Let's see why the best of breed is not good for the enterprise level. The first problem with best of breed tools is that the governance is not easy. If you have a content team with different tasks, you are going to have one AI for each of the members or each of the tasks you are going to use, and controlling them and their governance is not going to be easy because you're going to have lots of AI tools. The other thing is security. You can't check the security of all of AI tools at once. You have to check all of them one by one, and it takes lots of time and effort from you. And the cost. When you pay for 5 AI tools, it surely costs more than just one AI that can do all of the tasks or most of the tasks in your content creation team you need. So me, myself, use Gemini Pro as my all-in-one tool for lots of my content creations, for writing scenarios, writing blog posts, deep research. I can say I sometimes combine it with Google Notebook LM, and it helps me creating every kind of content I need, creating videos, creating images, and everything I need for my personal projects. I think it can do lots of the works that's small to medium content creation teams need, and I suggest to use Gemini. You can check for your own team and find the best one you need. The next section, I'm going to tell you how you can find the best AI tool for your content creation team. Well, we now know that one type of AI tool all in one can be good for your team. So you don't need to watch top AI tool videos. You can go search for yourself, or you can find the ones that are better. But how are you going to choose the best tool for your content creation team? I can tell you a framework you can follow. It has 3 steps, 3 parts you have to check and find the best one that suits your content creation team and prevents any chaos or problems. The first thing you have to check is security. You have to ask, is this AI tool enterprise ready? Does it support all of the security checks that an AI tool should have? Sometimes when you are working with very confidential data, it's better to work with local AI tools, the ones that you can install on your own server and use them if you are using high credential data, high confidential data in your content creation. But overall security, you can sometimes trust the brand. For example, Google is kind of a trusted brand in technology world. If you can trust them, you can say that the security is well. And sometimes you can use their API and do all of the processes and data uploads locally on your own servers. Security is the first thing you have to check. And you have to know, where does your data go? Is your data going to be used publicly, or can you limit it to only be used on your own chats? This is something very important. I'm just repeating it more and more. If you are using high confidential data, you can't use all of the public AI tools available for content creation. The other thing I can say is somehow more important is team adoption. Is this new AI tool easy to adopt, easy to integrate with your current workflow? Just think about that. Your team has lots of tools available. They are working with many tools for their current task, their current workflow. If you're going to add a new AI tool, it should be somehow that integrates well into the workflow. For example, I can say my content creation team, all of them use Google Docs, Google Sheets, and all of the Google Workspace tools for creating content, sharing it with each other, and editing it. If I add Gemini to my workflow, it's easy to add. It can connect to all of them. They can easily integrate Gemini with the Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Slides, and everything they are using daily. So adoption is the second thing. The third one is scalability. Are you sure that the new AI tool is scalable enough and it can do your upcoming tasks as well? For example, when at the first Google introduced Gemini, it was a very good chatbot, we can say, a very good AI for researches and for answering questions and etc. But we knew that Google won't stop there. They will add new tools and new features to their AI. We saw that Nano was added after that, and VEO was added for creating videos. And now we have an all-in-one tool that can handle every content creation that you need for small to mid-sized level businesses, in my opinion. So we talked about the steps of choosing the best AI tool for your team. And if you have any similar experience, please post in the comments and let me know, and we can discuss about it if there's anything else that you have to check. But here comes another important step. You are going to justify the cost of new tool for your CEO. As a content manager, I can say you're always in the mid-level manager. You have a higher manager. It can be CMO, it can be CEO, and you have some people that work with you. And this problem is something that all of content managers have in their day-to-day career. They have to justify the cost for CEO and higher level C-level managers. Let's see how we can justify the cost of new AI tool to our manager. The first thing is that you have to reframe ROI. If you compare the net cost of a new AI tool with hiring, for example, 5 new content creators, you can see that, for example, a new AI tool costs $12,000 a year, but hiring 5 new content creators, if you want them to be mid-level or senior level content creators, it costs about $300,000 a year. You can see the difference. When you have a meeting with your CEO or CMO, are you going to justify the cost of new AI tool? We can say that hiring new people costs a lot more than subscribing to a new AI tool. And the other thing is that when you add an AI tool to your team, you are somehow giving strength to your current experts. You are giving them new tools, you are giving them new opportunities to progress, to improve their career. They somehow become more loyal to the company and the performance increases if you know how to handle the AI integration process and you know how to teach them the process of using AI. And when you add a new AI tool, you can cancel some of your subscriptions to your old softwares. For example, when you have Nano Banana, when you have Higgsfield or other image creation AIs, you can sometimes, if you are mid-level to or small-level businesses, you can cancel your Photoshop subscription, and it somehow justifies the cost. So we now have a framework of how to choose the best AI tool for our content creation team. We now know that a content manager is not a tool chaser. They are system builders. Something more important than choosing a new AI tool is how to find the one, is how to integrate it to your current workflow. I have lots of other videos about how to using AI in content creation, and I suggest you to watch the playlist of AI for marketing on my channel. Thank you again for watching the video. See you soon.